Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is reactivity series of metals. Dear students, we know that some metals are chemically very reactive, whereas others are less reactive or unreactive. Dear students, we have already learned in the chemical properties of metals that potassium and sodium react very rapidly with water. They react very rapidly with cold water, so they are very reactive metals. Zinc and iron react only with steam, so they are less reactive metals. But copper, silver and gold do not react even with steam, so they are quite unreactive metals. Dear students, on the basis of vigor of reactions of various metals with oxygen, water and acids as well as displacement reactions, the metals have been arranged in a series according to their chemical reactivity. This series is called reactivity series of metals. We can define reactivity series of metals in this way. The arrangement of metals in a vertical column in the order of their decreasing reactivities is called reactivity series of metals. The arrangement of metals in a vertical column in order of their decreasing reactivities is called reactivity series of metals. In reactivity series, the most reactive metal is placed at the top, whereas the least reactive metal is placed at the bottom. Dear students, this is the reactivity series of metals. In this series, potassium is the most reactive metal, so it has been placed at the top in the reactivity series. As we come down, the chemical reactivity of metals decreases. As we come down from top to bottom, the chemical reactivity of metals decreases. Gold being the least reactive metal, so it has been placed at the bottom of the series. Gold being a least reactive metal is being placed at the bottom in the series. Dear students, hydrogen is also placed in the reactivity series of metals. Hydrogen being a non-metal is placed in the reactivity series of metals. Why it is placed in this series of metals, in the reactivity series of metals? Because like metals, this hydrogen also loses electrons and form positive ions. Hydrogen also loses electrons like metals and form positive ions, so it is placed in this reactivity series of metals. Dear students, now question arises, why some metals are more reactive and others are less reactive? Dear students, we know that when metals react, they lose electrons and form positive ions. जब metals react हो जाते हैं तो वो electrons lose करते हैं और positive ions बनाते हैं. याद रखना, अगर कोई metal atom आसानी से electrons lose करता है और पॉजिटिव आयन बनाता है तो वो बहुत तेजी से दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ रिएक्ट हो जाता है, यानी वो ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव मेटल होता है. लेकिन दूसरी जानिब अगर कोई मेटल एटम ज़्यादा आसानी से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज नहीं कर सकता है और वो पॉजिटिव आयन बनाता है और वो दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ स्लोली रिएक्ट हो जाता है, तो वो मेटल लेस रिएक्टिव होता है. Dear students, for example, sodium atom lose electrons readily to form positive ions, due to which sodium metal is a very reactive metal. On the other hand, this iron metal loses electrons less readily to form positive ions, so this iron metal is less reactive is a less reactive metal. Dear students, those metals which lose electrons more readily than hydrogen are said to be more reactive than hydrogen. जो मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन की नस्बत आसानी से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करते हैं वो हाइड्रोजन से ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होते हैं In this reactivity series of metals, the metals which are placed above the hydrogen, these metals which are placed above the hydrogen, they are more reactive than hydrogen. These all metals can displace hydrogen from its compounds like water, acids, and form hydrogen gas. These all metals can displace hydrogen from its compounds like water and acids to form hydrogen gas. Dear students, the metals which lose electrons less readily than hydrogen are said to be less reactive than hydrogen. The metals which lying below the hydrogen, these are the metals which lying below the hydrogen are less reactive than hydrogen. These metals displace hydrogen. These metals do not displace hydrogen from acids or water to form hydrogen gas. So these are the metals which are more reactive than hydrogen. These metals can displace hydrogen from acids or water and form hydrogen gas, but the metals which lies below the hydrogen, they are less reactive than hydrogen. So these metals do not displace hydrogen from acids or water to form hydrogen gas. Dear students, this is the reactivity series of metals. Thank you.